Hello gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great. Today we are going to work on our jaws and neck muscle. This little small line caused by stress, sadness and the tension on our necks also. So without further ado, we start our exercises. We need to warm up our hand like this. And we press them firmly on our face and push them a little bit upward like this, just a little bit. Relax your shoulder, relax your face also. Just enjoy the sensation. Push them a little bit up on the side of your face. Push them up a little bit. On the chin, on the neck. This is really helpful for warm up our face and also the lymphatic node on our face and neck. Also put your hand on your ear and you put your palm here, up here, just on your cheekbone, a little bit on the cheek side of your cheek. Press them and push them upward a little bit and relax. Then relax. Let's do another one. Warm up your hand like this. Press them firm, a little bit firm, and push them up a little bit on your face, along your nose side. Push them a little bit, put them on your forehead, on the side of your face, on your chin. Press them a little bit upward, on your ear, on your ears. I always forget the S at the end of the words. Also on your neck, and relax. This time we are going to use our knuckle, our thumb, under our chin like this, and knuckle on our chin. Press them, then slide them to the side like this until your ears, and then slide them down like this. Okay, let's do with me. Thumb under the chin, press the knuckle on your chin firm and slide a little bit until the ear and slide them down. We do it another 2 times. Thumb, slide them on the side until the ears and slide them down. Another one. Thumb, knuckle, and slide to the ears and then slide them down. Really good. Tap a little bit. I love tapping, as you know. Let's do another one. 3 times also. Thumb here, press them on your chin slide them to the side, pull them up and slide them down. Put your thumb under your chin, press the knuckle on your chin, then slide until the ear and then slide them down here. Good. Another one. Put them under the chin, press them on the chin and then slide till the ears and slide them down. Good job. Tap a little bit. This exercise we are going to put our hand on our chest and then we look up like this and pull our chin upward. Okay, like you're kissing the ceiling like this. I will show you. Okay, not like this, just like not like this. We don't do that. Just pull your chin out and pucker your mouth a little bit. Okay, let's do it with me and we stay for 10 seconds. Put your hand on your chest, look up, pull your chin out a little bit and try to kiss the ceiling and stay for 10 seconds. And relax. Tap a little bit. Let's do the second time. This time you change your hand. If you put like this, you change like this, okay? Put your hand on your chest. Stay straight, relax your shoulder, relax your forehead and look up. Pull your chin out and stay for 10 seconds. And relax. Relax your shoulder a little bit. Are you okay? You ready for the third time? Let's do with me. This time we put our hands on our chest, stay straight, relax our shoulders. Also relax the forehead. Look up, pull your chin out and kiss the ceiling for 10 seconds. Good job. Relax.